Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Kraken Wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open up your Kraken Wallet. From the main screen, you have Send, Receive, and Swap. If you want to send crypto, you click on Send and then paste the wallet address that you want to send the crypto to, or you can scan the QR code. If you want to receive, click on Receive and copy the crypto address. Right now, you can have Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin, and Dogecoin. For example, if you want to receive Ethereum, just click on Copy. It's going to vary depending on whether you are using a centralized exchange or another wallet, but most of them will require you to paste that address when sending. After that, simply paste this address in your exchange, and then you can successfully deposit crypto into Kraken Wallet. If you want to swap crypto, click on Swap. Here you have all the different assets available. Select the crypto you want to swap, for example Ethereum, then select the amount. If you want to swap 100%, just select Asset and confirm. I don't have enough ETH to demonstrate fully, but the process is simply selecting the crypto, choosing Swap, and it will complete the exchange. To adjust your slippage, click the top right corner. By default, it's set at 0.5%, but you can customize it. Generally, you want your slippage to be as low as possible to pay less in fees. To see your activity, click on All Activity. Here you can track all transactions done on this wallet. If you scroll down, you'll see all your assets with prices, your NFTs, and any DeFi positions. If you click on the wallet icon in the top left corner, you can manage multiple wallets. By clicking Manage and then simply tapping the three dots, you can edit wallet names, connect to Kraken Exchange, use dApps, check advanced info, or even delete a wallet. The Settings menu is found at the top right corner. In Settings, you can connect your account to Kraken for quick transfers, lock your app, set a password, change currency or language, adjust privacy, use advanced settings, and contact support. If you want to stake crypto, click on one of your assets and choose Earn. You'll see a list of validators with their staking percentages, where the higher the percent, the more rewards. The middle button opens DeFi features directly in Kraken Wallet. You can explore yield opportunities, DEXs, and services like Jupiter. For example, by selecting Jupiter, you can open the browser and quickly connect Kraken Wallet. Just click Connect, select your Kraken Wallet, confirm, and you are ready to use it. This also works with services like Aave, Uniswap, Radium, NFT platforms, DeFi Llama, and CoinGecko. On the right side, you have Wallet Connect, which lets you connect to hardware wallets like Trezor and Ledger. This way you can integrate your cold storage with Kraken Wallet while keeping everything secure. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use Kraken Wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.